Hello guys. Hello guys, so we're back to more videos. And today we are going to play Thanos Squid of bro. How can I beat this? Oh, I should go there. Wait, how many? Bruh, there's no win. How many obbies there? Also guys, if you want to see more videos on our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. What the heck? Okay. So seems great, but I wanted to beat this game. Why? There's no checkpoints, so there has check. Bro, this annoying player now. I wanted to. So I'm wearing that green shirt, grass it guys. So I'm gonna beat this game because of annoying girls now. This could be the Squid Game. Okay, I need to beat this. I don't wanna fall. Don't fall, okay? Don't fall. Don't fall, okay? Also guys, I don't fall now, so we need to be careful, okay? Also I need to beat this game. There's so many over there. Okay, what's that? Okay, I win. Wow. Wow, best award. Everyone, give the you best the obby award. Okay, guys. So this thing has a short. This has a video, but has a short obby. So anyways, guys. So I'm going to just guys. This could be short obby. That I played that, so I'm going to just leave again. Next obby. This could be Squid Game obby. I'm going to play now. Okay, this could be original game. They has a brand new update. So in this game, so I'm playing it. Has so much. I played two. I on to the next one. Okay, on to the next both of the obbies. So this could be a short obby that I beat there. So they gave me a better one. What's that? Is that a girl? Okay, I need to just wait. Can I? Nah. That's okay. That's okay. Also, guys, this could be a green light, red light up there. So I need to beat that. Beat this game. I know how to beat this game, guys. Right? I don't fall. Don't fall. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, noob. What are you doing? Say, don't fall. Wait, how should we choose this? Wait, let me cheat. Wait. Bro. Alright. Oh, wait. Oh, it's just thing. Okay. We need to use this. Okay. There. Okay, next. This could be the trickiest game. Oh, there. Right one. Okay. On to the next game. Double of them. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, it's too easy. Wait. Hold on. Oh, wait. There. Yes. Okay. See. Wait, not there. There. Yeah. Could be my perfect progress. No, I lose. Wait, I need to. Wait. We. No. Okay, the girl. Girl, come on, you do it. Come on. I'm believing you. There. Yes. Come on, girl. Yes, thank you. No! What the frick is wrong with it? Bruh. No, I'm going to shoot. No! Okay, we got this. Come on! Bro! This silly girl! I hate this game. Wait, like this. No! But yes! Goodbye! What's that? Stop! I wanted to Okay. Yes, I beat this game. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I wanted to end later, okay? Yes, sir. I have a fun. Yes. What are you doing? Hey, what's up? Okay. Okay. Wait. I need to slide. No, I can't. Okay, I need to. Oh wait, this one. I should jump. Nothing. Are you serious? Stop. Are you serious? Bro. Stupid. Okay. Oh, I can climb. Okay, I can climb. Okay. On to the next game, but I don't want to. Wait, I need to start. Oh, okay. Wow. Wait, what's that? Is that a new? What the heck? Oh. Okay, on to the next game. And also, never mind. So, I need to end up there. So, never mind. So, goodbye, guys. See you later. Okay.